Okay, so I have a question about a problem a student is having when they go to export their film. The film is not all there, it's incomplete. They're only getting actually a few seconds of it. And I want to show you a few steps you can go through to check that you've got what you need. Now, the first thing is when you're actually on your timeline. So here's my sequence here, and you can see there's an area that's selected in grey. Now, I want to be zoomed in enough, which remember using this tool, so I can see exactly where my sequence ends. And there, that purple box, that's the end of my titles. I'm going to right click on there and mark out. You can see that wherever I scrub to and I do a right click up here at the top of my timeline, and I click mark out, it's going to adjust what's highlighted in grey. I'm going to put it back to where I want it and mark out. That then, Adobe Premiere now understands that's what I want to export to then be viewable when it comes out of the software. I then go to Export Media, and I made just a double check of your settings. Remember, the recommended settings we have are H.264 and Vimeo 1080p. That gives you good quality video. And then here, look, I've got see here, if you look in the export window I have now, I've told it to go to the sequence in and out because I've just told it to do that. If for whatever reason that is wrong, it shouldn't be, but if it's wrong, another way you can override, and this is what I did before, is you can override it by moving these grey triangles underneath, and that tells Adobe Premiere what to export when you're in this window. I don't want to do that manually. I want to make sure it's right. So I'm going to go back to sequence in and out, and you can see it's jumped back to where I want to be. It doesn't go to where this is. It doesn't go to where the cursor is. It goes to where the sequence is, sequence in out. I make sure it's there. I can then go to Q, and I should get the video. The exported video should be exactly what it is that I need. Okay, hope that helps. Thanks.